So we have a list of students here, their ages, the date of joining. I can correct the date of joining. Yep. And the section and the grades. But these two options are vacant, so we can fill them in by using the form option. So to do that, first we need to go to the drop down from the quick access toolbar. Go to main commands. Choose commands not in the ribbon or all commands. Then look for form in the list. There you go. Then you add it. So there you have the form option here right away. But for before that, you have to convert it into a table, as Microsoft Excel calls it. You can do it from here, or you can go to Insert, click Table, check the range. Okay, yep. With table, you can also ascend or descend the list. So now we have these two vacant options. So we click anywhere. We click then Form. And then we have all the details here. So all the details, name, age, this one we already had mentioned in the form, but the section and grades were missing, so we say section A, grade, let's say 95 or 100, and then we say enter. There you have it. Section B, grade 80, press enter. If you want to skip over, you can go to find next. You can skip over and you can see other names popping up. Find next. Okay, let's say again section A. Let's say the grade is not that high as the others. Say okay, enter. There you have it. So you can use the form to enter details more efficiently and more quickly. So that you don't have to manually go to each cell or pressing tab too many times to maneuver all around the sheet. Well, thanks for watching.